Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your role colors on Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to go to our profile, our Discord profile. So for us to get there, we need to click on the icon that's in the bottom right corner with our little profile picture. And that will take us here. And once we get here, we need to scroll down a bit until we find app settings. And then we have voice, appearance, and accessibility. We're gonna need to click on accessibility. And as you can see, the first thing that pops up is role colors. Choose a display for role colors. You can either pick show role colors in name, show role colors next to the names, or don't show role colors. So I'm gonna select the one that says show role colors next to the name. And that's about it. That's how you do it. That's how you set your role colors on Discord. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.